At dahil nakatira ng tres, sulit ang pagpares. Yes sir. So recently ako ay pumunta dito sa Mandaluyong because I wanted to try El Patron Wala Stick Pares. So I was craving pares this particular day and they offer pares and some solid combinations. Napakasulit nito. Open pa sila 24 hours so anytime pwede kang umorder ng kanilang mga items katulad nito, panghimagas. Madami na rin mga food content creators at mga vloggers na pumunta. Some of their other items and we're going to get to that a little bit. Unahin na muna natin yung tapa. Look at that. Kuha tayo ng konti at babad natin sa suka, isang kagat, and sama natin ng rice. Just round it out. Yes sir. That was good. Now, eto, chicharong bulaklak. Mainit-init pa oh, pag hawak ko. Let's take a bite. Not too salty, crunchy, napakasarap. And sama natin ng suka. Oh, that hits the spot. That was good. Ang kanilang sisig naman is pretty much a take on sisig sa Pampanga. And makikita mo dahil kasi wala din siyang egg, wala din mayo. Pagkagat mo sa kanya, straightforward eh. Sama mo ng kanin, mapapadami ka dito. So far, panalo yan. Nag-offer din sila ng siomai. So kung gusto mo ng siomai rice, they got you. So kuha nga tayo ng isa. Look at that. At ayusin natin ang ricado. Konting kalamansi, konting toyo, and lagyan natin ng chili garlic. Sila mismo yung gumagawa. Dip ng konti, smother it a little bit. Get that all in. Isang kagat. Hits the spot. Sobrang solid nun. Samahan din natin ng rice. Just round it out. That was good. Isa pa nga. So, puro siomai, nilagyan ng toyo mansi with rice. You can't go wrong with that combo. That was good. We now proceed to dinakdakan. Look at that. I was actually expecting na may konting mayo and whatnot, pero same as the sisig, walang mayo. And pretty straightforward eh. Vinegary, tapos malalasa mo yung mga litid. Very interesting texture. Very enjoyable texture rather. And of course, samahan natin ng rice to round it out. Sobrang good yun. Now we get to pares. Ito ay pares na may tumbong. Mix it up a little bit for you. Look at that. Isang kagat. So far so good. Samahan natin ng rice. But wait. Lagyan natin ng konting chili garlic. Lagyan natin ng konting kalamansi at ihalo. Yes sir. Look at that. Kuha tayo ng konti at isang kagat. That was what I needed. Yes sir, dahil kasi nag-uulan lately. Mainit na pares, sumama ng kanin, panalo yun. And we get to beef pares. Of course, yung kanin, here's a little close-up for you. Look at that. Kahit sabihin nating malapot yung sabaw nila, don't be mistaken, it retains a lot of heat. Napaka-okay para sa tagulan. Isang higop at isang kagat. That hits the spot. And of course, lagyan din natin siya ng chili garlic. Lagyan din natin ng kalamansi. Comment down below if you also do this. Halo ng konti. Look at that. And isang kagat. That's what I needed. Sobrang sulit. Sumahan natin ng rice to round it out. Yes sir. Panalo yun. And meron din sila panghimagas. So leche flan lang. Straightforward. Not a whole lot of syrup kahit na pagkuha natin sa ilalim as you're going to see. At isang kagat. Perfect way to end the meal eh. Yes, it cleanses your palate. O tayo ng konti pa. Sobrang natutuwa ako eh, hindi ganun katamis yung dessert, which I appreciate. Pagotits talaga no. Yes sir, panalo yan. And wash it down with some royal pares. Tapos sabayan mo ng isang soft drink. Sobrang good yun. Pwede mo ding haluin yung chicharong bulaklak with pares. To each their own. So maraming salamat, Team El Patron. Yes sir, maraming salamat El Patron. Solid dito. Dayuin nyo, marami silang mga branches pero pinaka-solid dito sa Mandaluyong. Yes sir. Yes sir. Until next time.